Now let us do some experiment on the gross body. Today our meditation will be on the gross body and subtle body. First, please sit in Sukhasana. Wherever you are sitting, sit in Sukhasana. Sukhasana में बैठ जाओ. Give up your chairs. Chairs are not the right place to experience the depth of your meditative state. Meditation can be done anywhere, anytime, but to experience in the beginning, it is preferable that we sit in Sukhasana. And now hold your knees. Hold the knees and start shaking the knees up and down like what you do in Titli Asana. In Titli Asana, you bring your feet together like that. Here, no. Sit in cross leg and then start shaking your knees up, down, up, down. Hold the knees and shake. Yes. Very nice. Ma Saraswati, you are doing very good. Take little more up and down. Legs more up, down. Yes, very good. Yes. Inhale, exhale. Breathing should be there. Keep your hands on the knees. Don't hold your legs. Yes. Feet. Don't hold your feet. Yes. Sit in Sukhasana. Ma Ambe, sit in Sukhasana, not Titli Asana. Sukhasana. Yes. And start moving. Stop. Now, again, we'll be holding it, and this time breathing will be synchronized with your movement of the knees. Like this. Okay? Yes. Inhale, exhale. Exhale, inhale. Like that. Continue. Very good. Yes. Powerful movement. Movements of your knees, movements of your legs. Very nice. Very good. Today we have to have experience meditation on Sthula Sharir and Sukshma Sharira. Very good. And again stop. Eyes closed. Keep your spine straight. Take out your glasses. You need not to see anything now. You have to only experience. Chashma utar do. Let us start again. This time little more powerful breathing. With the movements of your knees, shaking the whole body. Shake your whole body. Feel the shaking of your body, your neck, your head, your back, your belly, your... very good, very good. Continue movement. Breathing sound powerful. The more the powerful sound, the deeper you go. Very good, very good. Eyes closed. Very good. And again relax. Deep relaxation. Bahut acha. Very good. One more deep breath. And start again. Full power, full Shakti, full breathing, powerful breathing. Continue. Very good. Continue breathing. Continue breathing. Powerful, powerful. Keep on moving. Keep on moving. Keep on moving. Keep on moving. Shake your body. Shake your belly. Shake your back. Breathing is important. Very important. Very good. And again relax. Deep relaxation now. Eyes remain closed. Do not open your eyes. We are handling our gross body as well as our subtle body. 5 prana. Very good. When you are breathing, your all 5 prana will become active. When you are moving, all your 5 motor senses are getting active. Mind, buddhi. Mind and buddhi is to be applied into your activity, action. Once more, again, with powerful movement, breathing, start moving your knees, up, down, whole body moving also. Like this powerful breathing. The more power, the higher the Shakti. Very good. Continue moving. Keep on moving. Keep on moving. Keep on moving. Keep on moving. Enjoy. Let the body be free. Make the body free. Continue. Ghabrana nahi. Chandana. Continue moving. And again, relax. Again, relax. Within no time, you can feel something start happening in your system. Some new Shakti start feeling and flowing. Very good. Again, one gentle breath. Start powerful. Go. Full power. Breathing. Powerful breathing. Powerful breathing. You will start finding that your body start moving on its own. You are not doing anything. Let it happen. Full awakening, full awakening, full Shakti. Continue moving, continue moving, continue moving, moving, moving. Full power, full power, full power. Sometime now it is happening. You are not doing, it is happening. Continue moving. Let it happen. Let it happen. Continue moving. Continue moving. Sometimes faster, sometimes slow. Now you are not controlling. Do not try to control. No control. No control. Allow it to happen. Now let it happen. Let it happen. Let it happen. Support the happening. Support the happening. Continue. Wake up. Wake up. Wake up. Wake up. Wake up. Wake up. Detox. Purify. Purify. Continue moving. Move the Shakti. Move the Shakti. Move the power. Keep on moving. Body will become lighter. From gross body, it will enter into the subtle body, Sukshma Sharir. That is what we have studied today. बहुत अच्छा. स्थूल शरीर to सूक्ष्म शरीर. Journey continue. स्थूल to सूक्ष्म. Allow it. No fear. Continue. Allow the moment. Let it happen. Sometime you are doing, sometime happening. No resistance, no negative thoughts, no fear. Just be present. Total presence. Very nice. Full surrender, divine surrender. Continue surrender. Very good. Automatically let it happen. Full divine grace is happening. You are not doing anything. Let it happen. Effortless. Enjoy the divine. Enjoy the divine grace with full surrender, total surrender. Sthul to Sukshma Sharira. Witness the journey, see the journey, observe the journey, experience the journey. Journey from gross to subtle, journey from Sthul to Sukshma. Then you will realize what Adi Shankaracharya has said in Tattva Bodha. You are experiencing it practically. All the five motor senses, five prana, mana, buddhi, all the 17 substances can be witnessed in Sukshma Sharira. Very good. Effortless. No control. Do not control. Very good. No controlling. Allow it. बहुत अच्छा. Very good. Total surrender. Divine surrender. constant happening. Let it flow, let it happen. The more you surrender, the deeper you go. Let go, let go. All the demigods of all the senses are blessing you. Gyan Devata is also blessing you. Receive the blessings by surrender. When you surrender, blessings flow. No efforts at all. Do not try to control anything. Nothing. Absolutely no control. Let go, let go, let it happen. बहुत अच्छा. Such a wonderful, blissful flow of divineness. Very good. Sukshma Sharira. You are at the Sukshma Sharira. Enjoy, enjoy. Let it happen, let it happen, let it happen, let it happen. Continue enjoy. Enjoy the journey of blissfulness, subtle, ananda. It is effortless, choiceless. You are not putting any efforts to enter into the zone of inner subtle body. Beautiful. बहुत अच्छा. And today is a special auspicious day of full moon. You see the new light within you. Purnima. Full light within you. Witness the full light everywhere. Enjoying the nectar from the moon. Today, the moon is showering nectar on you. Receive the nectar. Witness the nectar from the moon. बहुत अच्छा. Very good. Continue choiceless. No control. Shakti is everywhere. Divine Shakti is everywhere. Divine grace is everywhere. बहुत अच्छा. Continue. Very good. Very nice. बहुत अच्छा. Constant flow. Divine flow. Divine Shakti, divine grace, divine blessings. बहुत अच्छा. So much bliss, balance, and divineness. Allow it to happen. Shakti is blessing you. Shakti is blessing you. Receive the blessings of Shakti. Very good. Divine connection, divine grace, divine blessing. Very nice. And slowly, slowly, we will start the process of surrendering. Now, surrender by chanting the divine sound Om. Let the divine sound come from every cell, every being. Go deep. Again, start chanting. Om. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Surrender with Shanti. Very gently bring your both hands in Namaste Mudra. Namaste Mudra, complete surrender, divine surrender. Continue, full divine surrender. It is happening. Let it happen. Gently rub your palms and cover your face. Surrender. Shanti. Divine Shanti. Shanti. A new grace and blessings coming to you. Effortless. Rub your face very gently. And slowly, slowly come back. Open your eyes. बहुत अच्छा, very good. Gross body and subtle body. You can experience that with simple experiments. And these are the path of meditation which takes us to the invisible subtle body. Gross body is also Shakti, subtle body is also Shakti. Even the wood which is dead, looks dead, but when you put fire, it starts coming in. We cannot see the fire in the wood, but there is fire in the wood. Gross body, subtle body, fire, Shakti, 5 elements. Mahabhut. In Sanskrit, we say Mahabhut means great elements. So when you meditate, you go and see all these very clearly. And meditation will give you mastery over gross body and subtle body. Mastery over Sukshma Sharir and Sthula Sharir. We need to have the mastery that what the mind is doing, what the body is doing. Who gives the mastery? Five demigods are giving the mastery, blessing us. Go through these demigods. They are blessing us always. And then the master demigod, Gyan Devta, knowledge, is blessing us. Without their blessings, we cannot even live properly our life. We should have a gratitude, thankfulness. So which yogic practice every day, meditation every day. Express your gratitude. That's why we make both hands and make the prayer for thankfulness. That is one of the main reasons. So, if anybody got anything to say, any experience or any question, we'll take 1 or 2, and then because the time is limited, constraint of time, so you feel free, please, if you have anything to say, go ahead.
Hari Om Guruji.
Hari Om, Hari Om.
First of all, it was amazing experience once again, and I'm too much thankful to you. There is not too much to say about the experience because we all are having the same experience, maybe a little bit different or more, maybe higher, maybe parallel. There was one doubt came just after after opening my eyes that as we know that all these sensory organs, eyes are the fire element.
Yes. Sun.
Yeah, and this
Sun.
Sun. Yeah,
Surya.
sorry. Surya. And here in this sutra number 13, shloka number 13, Vacho Devata Vahi. There is a bit contradictory. I just not getting the proper understanding of it. Vani ke Devta Agni hai. So,
See, Surya is synonym here of light. With the eyes, synonym Surya here is the light. And Vani is the fire.
fire. Okay, thank you so much.
Good. Both.
Thank you.
Anybody else want to say anything?
हरिओम गुरुजी।
हरिओम, हरिओम। मीनाक्षी जी कहिए।
जी गुरुजी, आज कुछ जो अनुभव हुआ मैं ठीक से नहीं उसको वो नहीं कर पा रही हूँ कि वास्तव में एक वास्तविक अनुभव था कि क्या था, मैं ठीक से तय नहीं कर पा रही हूँ। पर जो मेडिटेशन करते समय मैंने अनुभव किया कि मेरे हाथ जो है बहुत तेजी से मूव हो रहे थे पूरे मेडिटेशन के दौरान, क्योंकि आज दिन भर में लिखने का काम कर रही थी। तो आपने कहा था कि कोई वो नहीं होना चाहिए बाधा, तो फिर मैंने हाथों को खोल दिया तो पूरे मेडिटेशन के दौरान वो घूमते रहे और मूव होते रहे। और बीच बीच में तो कुछ ऐसा भी लगा कि जैसे मैं खुद हनुमान जी हूँ और वो बजा रही हूँ। मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि वास्तविक अनुभव था कि या कुछ ऐसी कल्पना थी, ठीक से तय नहीं कर पा रही हूँ। पर मैंने ऐसा महसूस किया कि मैं खुद हनुमान हूँ और इसे क्या कहते हैं उसको बजाते ना दोनों हाथों में लेके, वो बजा रही है,
कप्तान बजाते।
जी जी जी।
तो हनुमान जी की बधाई, हनुमान जी को बधाई। बहुत बढ़िया। हनुमान has blessed you. A very very good auspicious. Congratulations for that. Keep on working. जितना काम किया ना उससे कई गुना ज्यादा काम करने की क्षमता है आप में, घबराना नहीं। You got
जी
immense powers like Hanumanji. Hanumanji is the synonym of Bala. Bala means power, Shakti. हाँ, चलो बहुत बधाई हो. Very good. All right. So anyone else? We can take last one and then we will conclude. Anybody else want to say anything? Chal, let's now make the prayer. Sarve bhavantu sukhina. Who will say this prayer now? चलो मीनाक्षी आप ही बोलो.
सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामया सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्. ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः. Rub your palm and keep on your face. Hari Om.
Hari Om, Hari Om, Hari Om.
हरि ओम गुरुजी.
Hari Om.
हरिओम गुरुजी.